Diane and Denmark here. Rah, rah, rah. Okay, this is it. This is your final chance. I've told you again and again and again, get organized. Who doesn't want to get organized? The Virtual Summit 2023, it starts tomorrow. And if you've been thinking, well, I'll sign up tomorrow, it's happening tomorrow. You've got to sign up today. And I'm really excited because this has been planned for months. There's been so much work gone into it behind the scenes. Either you sign up, maybe you want the All Access Pass. The All Access Pass, it gives you the cheat sheets. It gives you worksheets. Maybe you've already watched my session. You filled out your little worksheet. Gives you transcripts. You've got a chance to win prizes. Extra videos, lots of bonus materials. You get immediate access, lifetime access, and the price will go up when the conference starts. So if you want to go that road, do it now. But, said the canny Scot, of course you've also got the free ticket. Free ticket will give you access to all the sessions, and you'll be able to watch each session for 24 hours after it's aired. So it's kind of limited time that you can watch it. But you also get to go into the Facebook group. Everybody's helping each other out. If you've got a problem with organising, with interior design, menu planning, that's where you'll get that. And of course, you're going to want to mark your calendar. Mark your calendar right now. My session is this coming Friday, the 15th of September. I will be leading you through how to get success at work and at home with good daily routines. And you'll find my session with a snazzy title, Simplify Your Day and Achieve More with a Flylady System. Who doesn't want to do that? Okay, so hopefully you're already signed up. If not, please don't delay. And I don't want you to miss out on this because there's so much information in there. I've got the All Access Pass and I've had tons of ideas for my menu planning. I've been reorganizing spaces at home. The interior design stuff is really appealing to me because I've got spaces at home now that we're empty nesters that I'm changing. Anyway, don't delay. I'm going to leave you to it because I'm going to get my pom-poms packed and ready to go for when we go live tomorrow. Both links are down below. All Access Pass, the price will go up tomorrow, or the free ticket, it's your choice, but please don't miss out. So, who's excited? Okay, let me know when you've got your ticket, whichever kind of ticket it is. I'll see you in the Facebook group. And all I've got left to say is live long and prosper. May the Get Organised Virtual Summit 2023, hygge be with you. And I'll see you at the summit very soon. Okay, let's go. Rah, rah, rah.